Hello, I'm Andrew Ditton. Unfortunately, these days there are too many caravan thefts from unattended caravans at motorway service areas and parking areas. But when you're travelling, you need something convenient, compact and easy to fit before leaving your outfit unattended. And that's where the Milenco compact wheel clamp comes into its own. Comes in a very useful little carry bag, and it's an absolute doddle to fit. Simply slide it onto the wheel and turn the handle. Notice there's no fiddly Allen key to worry about with this fitting. Simple as that.